Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube. Today I am letting my sister do my roots. I am begging my sister to do my roots because salons are closed in LA. So basically I'm a bleach and tone. I'm gonna walk you all through the process. So basically the process, I did this once before in the spring during quarantine. It was something like this. These are the materials. So we have the Wella powder lightener. So we're gonna use these packets, and for one packet you mix it with 2 ounces of developer. So I have darker hair, therefore I'm gonna be using a 30 volume developer. I got all this off of Sally's Beauty. So I'm gonna be using 2 ounces of the 30 volume with a packet of bleach, and I think I'm gonna do 2 just in case you need more. Also, this is my hair before. I'm gonna get a good look at it. My hair before. If you haven't really.
Do you want help?
No, it's fine. So we're gonna put 1 packet of lightener, I don't want to call it bleach, in there, mixed with 2 ounces of 30 volume developer. Can you tell me when to stop?
No, you go from the top.
I think it's good. Yeah, that's fine. We're like really just winging it. This is 2 ounces. We're gonna mix this in here. Okay, I think that's a good consistency, do you think?
Yeah, I think so. The clumps are out.
And then after we do the bleach, I'm just gonna go through it right now just so we can kind of mentally prepare. After we do the bleach and apply it, I picked out the lightest ash blonde toner from Wella, and that is T18. So I'm gonna be mixing this with a 20 volume developer, so it's like a little bit less harsh. And yeah, this is the developer I got. I'm gonna wash my hair out once it turns like a banana color, like once it's been on for like a good amount of time and I can see it being really light. Then I'm gonna wash it out in the shower really quick, get out of the shower and use this. And then I'm gonna put the toner on, and then I'm gonna let it sit for like 5 minutes and then use shampoo and conditioner. A good thing I have Olaplex with me.
Yeah. Let's go. I'm so sorry. I just needed to call you because my mom gave me the wrong time of birth. And I'm not, my rising sign is different. We're bleaching Chloe's hair.
Okay, wait, okay, just don't overlap, okay?
I know.
Wait, that's really thick. You look so focused. So how's it going? We need a progress update.
Good, in the middle.
Okay, so we just did the full head. Oh my god, this is so bad. I don't even want to show this. Now I'm going to put it in a shower cap so that it like traps the heat and it lifts faster. Yeah, I don't want those little hairs at the bottom being brown. You know what I mean?
This is gonna hurt your neck.
No, push them up. My neck's about to be like crusty. She's doing it. Full service. Okay. Now we're just gonna wait. It's 9:35. Check in like, I'm gonna check out in like 15 minutes. Hopefully my hair isn't falling out by then.
Hope I didn't miss any spots.
Yeah, do you think you've missed anything? Do you want to check one more time?
No. I mean, I can like go through.
Just like here. I just want the front to be like. This is what it looks like. No, I'm waiting. We're doing a little switch roll. That sounds so weird. We're doing each other's hair now. Sorry. Literally, can I speak? I'm doing her hair now while this waits. Okay, come here.
One second, put in the music.
It's not ready yet. Is it orangey?
Yeah.
But it's not blonde.
It's orangey.
Yeah, no, it's waiting. Okay, so it's been actually like 45 minutes. I don't know why my hair just like wasn't really lifting. but I think I'm gonna start to get in the shower. You're supposed to wait until your roots are like a banana color, like the color of the inside of banana, and I think that's right now. But I personally just like to wait a little bit longer because I would rather have my roots be lighter and then tone the rest than have orange roots and then just like want to redo it. And I feel like it's worth it to wait the extra 5 minutes than like having to damage your hair by going over it again. Yeah, I would say if you have dark hair like me, definitely wait, because the bleach will always make it look lighter than it actually is. Like if you see that your roots look pretty blonde but it has the bleach on top, like you're gonna shower it off and then it's gonna be orange at your root. So really wait until it's lighter than you would like. So I'm gonna wash it out, I'm gonna shampoo and lightly condition, and then I'll come back and do the toner. Okay, so I'm gonna get in the shower and I will talk to you later. Okay, so I just got out of the shower. I know it looks crazy, but it's just because I need to tone the roots and this is normal. So these are what my roots look like. I literally can't even look at myself. The roots are really yellow and orange. Now we are going to work on the toner. So it's 1 part toner to 2 parts developer, and I'm gonna use a 20 developer. I only have like less than an ounce left, so that would be like a little less than 2 ounces of developer. So I'm gonna pour it in. He spilled. Pour the toner in. Make it up a little bit because we don't really have that much. I think we should just focus on the root and pour it on and then like spread it, but don't touch like
the root or the yellowy part?
The yellow. Should I paint it?
Yeah, just looks pretty good.
I hope the toner works. 1 piece of brown.
Where? Okay, there's 1 piece back here.
A brown?
It's really small though.
How big is it?
It's small. Just that. That's a line. That's not horrible. You'll never notice. Look, I already lost it.
I'd rather it be like yellow in the back, you know what I mean? I'm pretty sure I swallowed bleach in the shower. Like I literally, I was washing out the bleach in my hair and like my mouth was open. I was like, okay.
I'm just doing like the yellowy part. Right?
Yeah. What?
No, it's just funny. I'm just like fully using my hand.
Oh, see, it's like already turning purple.
Okay, so should we wash it out? It's purple in the back. I thought it was supposed to be turning purple.
Well, I think it'll be fine, right?
I think it's clearly supposed to be turning purple.
What? I like can't feel my head. It's so numb from like all the bleach. I literally like, are you even touching me?
Seriously?
Yeah. And my skin too, because my skin was like had so much bleach on it. My hair is literally purple. Okay, I can't deal with this ever again. I never want to do this ever again. That's why I need to just stop dyeing my hair. I think we've come to that conclusion, right? Like it's fun, but like also the camera's been tilted this whole time. Okay, I'm like dizzy. I'm really nauseous.
Okay, go wash it out.
You think?
Yes.
Literally turning purple. So I'm gonna go in the shower and wash it out. I'll let you know how it goes. Okay, I just got out of the shower after the toner. It's a little better. Like my roots are definitely very like warm, but that's normal. Except there are a few pieces that we missed that are a little brown, but it's okay. We're gonna work with it. Funny story, I forgot to use this, which is the pre-color treatment. Helps to ensure even color results from scalp to end. So yeah, it's not too bad. I'm going to dry it and let you all see what it looks like. To recap, I don't really think I explained the whole toner thing, but basically when I put it in, I let it sit for like 3 to 5 minutes, and then when I showered, I used 𝓁𝒾𝓀𝑒 shampoo and conditioner. So I'm going to use the dry bar. I think this is the double shot. There's a single shot and the double shot. I think this is the double shot. But yeah, I really like their blowout brushes. Oh, also time check. It's literally midnight. My family's gonna hate me for blowing out my hair at this hour, but like I can't go to bed with it wet and not know the color. Like I can't. I'm going to use heat protectant though, so I don't kill my hair even more. And I'm using this one. I think it's pretty good. Okay, let's see how it goes. So it's like really late. It's like 1 a.m. No, it's like, okay, it's 12:30 and okay. So my phone literally died as I was finishing blow drying my hair, but I didn't like straighten it or anything. I just went through it with the blowout brush, and this is the final result. I'm really happy with it. I think the color is very cohesive. I was a little bit worried when I had the toner in how it would turn out, but I'm really, really happy about this. This was really fun. She did a great job, and yeah, I just feel so much better. This might be my last time doing this, as sad as it is. It's just so much upkeep, and
But looks great.
I know, it really does. And like, I'm just so happy with it. You did such a good job.
You did a great job.
We did, but like, it's not the healthiest, but we know that. We know that. Yay!
Looks amazing. But I'm hired to do a job. I do it.
No, love you.
Love you.
I want to wrap this up by saying thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. And I hope that you all enjoyed how my hair turned out. I'm really, really happy with it. I'm honestly just in shock of how bright and the color is, and I think my hairstylist would be proud. But yeah, so if you like my videos, please subscribe. I'm a new creator on here, so that would mean the world to me. And yeah, just don't come and hate about how I did my hair. I'm sorry if it made you upset, or if you're a hairstylist, but I am really happy with it.